Hi guys, I hope you're all keeping well and safe. Welcome to Early Years Matters TV. On this channel, we focus on everything early childhood related. And if these are the kind of videos you're looking for, what you have to do, subscribe. And not just subscribe, turn on that notification bell so that whenever a new video is being dropped on this channel, you'll be the first person to be notified. Today, I've got an interesting topic. I'm going to be talking about Vygotsky's Socio-Cultural learning theory and socio-dramatic play. Yes, today's discussion is going to be all about Vygotsky Socio-Cultural learning theory and socio-dramatic play. So I will start by giving a brief introduction about what is Vygotsky Socio-Cultural learning theory. So Vygotsky Socio-Cultural learning theory is all about the idea of the young children learning from their peers or adults. Yes, in relation to Vygotsky's socio-cultural learning theory, it's all about the young children learning from their peers or the adults. So now let's see how this links with socio-dramatic play. So in relation to Vygotsky's socio-cultural learning theory and socio-dramatic play, it's all about play us children supported by a more capable player. Yes. So in relation to Vygotsky's socio-cultural learning theory and socio-dramatic play, all about play allowing children to be supported by a more capable player. So no way you could also look at socio-cultural learning theory and socio-dramatic play about the adult peer and adult modeling play. Modeling socio-dramatic play. So it's all about the young child learning from their peers, learning from the adult in relation to socio-dramatic play. So it's all about the young child bringing what they see in real life into their play. So in relation to the young child bringing what they real life into their play, it could be from what they see from the adult. And that's why as adult educators, parents, we have to be positive role models. The children tend to watch us. Whatever we do, they reciprocate this in their play. Early childhood, they can't judge between their right and wrong. They can't know whether, what my parent or what my educator is doing or saying is the right thing. They watch, they observe, they take all of this and they reciprocate this in their play. So what they see in real life situations, they bring this into their play. So this is why it links to Vygotsky's socio-cultural drama. So the children are watching the educators, they are watching the parents, they are watching their peers. So whatever they do, they reciprocate this in their play. So now let's talk about socio-dramatic play. Another word for socio-dramatic play is pretend play. So this is where the children act out what they see in real life, what they act people do, what they see, what they watch on TV, listen to the radio, what they see in real life, they bring this into their play. So another word for another play is pretend play. So in this type of play, the children act out what they see in real life from their family, from the community, their mom, their dad, their siblings, people around them, their extended families, what's going on in their community, what they listen to the radio, the TV, what they watch other people do, what they watch their other peers do, and they bring this into their play. This is what pretend play is all about. So this is the link between Vygotsky's socio-cultural learning theory and socio-dramatic play. So it links that children act out what they see in real life. So this to Vygotsky's socio-dramatic learning theory. So the children are capable to learn from capable players. So they watch whatever they had to do, their peers do. They do this into their play. Adults model positive behaviors because what the children see the adults do or their peers do, they tend to do the same. So like the educator, our children to be positive role models. This is what Vygotsky's socio-cultural learning theory is all about. The children absorb whatever people do around them, whatever they see, and they reciprocate this into their play. So in my next video, I'm going to be looking at the benefits of socio-dramatic play and why you should encourage young children to engage in this type of play. But please, if you find this video helpful, kindly subscribe, and not just subscribe, turn on that notification bell so that whenever a new video is being dropped on this channel, you'll be the first person to be notified. And until I come your way next time, stay safe and mind yourselves for now. Bye.